Welcome back to another review video. Today we have the latest of the iPhone, but the base one, the iPhone 13. I have been using this iPhone since couple of days and here is the final review. I have used the iPhone 12 as well, so I will be telling you what major improvements Apple has made against their predecessor. So first of all, let's talk about the design of this iPhone 13. So iPhone 13 is got ceramic shield, which is a solid build material just like the iPhone 12. Back has glass and sides are matte finished. The major design change in iPhone 13 is in the rear cameras. This time we have a diagonal camera alignment instead of vertical, just like the iPhone 12 and 11. So this was the only change in the design of iPhone 13. Well, it looks pretty. Now let's move towards the display. Display is still same. It's 6.1 inches in size and still one of the best smartphone display with sharp colors, Dolby Vision and HDR10 support, which provides enhanced color experience. This display is actually great when it comes to watching Netflix like stuff, but yeah, iPhone 13 is for sure not enough for watching Netflix shows. You have to move on to Pro Max. Now let's talk about the cameras on this beast. There are two rear cameras and both of them are still 12 megapixel. Apple has been following these 12 megapixel sensors from couple of years, but every time with a little optimized quality via their iOS. This time these rear cameras in whole iPhone 13 series has insane feature of Dolby Vision, which record videos using Dolby Vision HDR. Apple has added a new mode in their iPhone 13 series, which is cinematic mode. This mode does magics. It adds extra shallow depth of field where you get a really deep bokeh effect in your videos. But unfortunately, this cinematic mode only records 30 fps videos. I hope Apple might add 60 fps via any update, or maybe we'll see it in iPhone 14 series. At the front side, there are also two cameras which are also of 12 megapixel resolution along with some Face ID scanners. That is pretty fast. Now let's talk about the performance. iPhone 13 series have A15 Bionic chip. There is no competition of even A14 for now, but we know Apple is unstoppable and A16 is on its way for this year's iPhone 14 series as well. I never felt any performance issue on iPhone 12 which had A14, and this is then iPhone 13, with A15, and it is running super smooth. The gaming performance and editing photos and videos as well, it was all smooth. Apps opening speeds and all that stuff has always been flawless on iPhone 13. Okay, at the very last we have something to talk about battery of iPhone 13. The battery on iPhone has been so great. When I used iPhone 13 for first time, the battery drained a little faster than my expectation. But then after several cycles of charging, it came on track and it is doing super great now. I get around 17 hours of battery timing on a single charge of 90%. This is way much better than iPhone 12's battery, which I had to charge for like 2 times in a day. The battery of iPhone 13 falls somewhere around the iPhone 12 Pro Max battery, because 12 Pro Max is able to provide you battery backup of 1 day easily without any hurdles. And that is just insane. Okay, that's all for iPhone 13. I hope you might have get to know everything you need to know about iPhone 13. This is actually a super great phone for day-to-day usage. It can provide you almost a full day backup. It has very good cameras. It can do a lot of wonders. That were my thoughts on this iPhone. I hope you really liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.